Welcome back to WBRZ News 2 at 4. Dr. Stevens is joining us today, and we're talking about patient safety. So what do patients need to know before going into surgery?
Right, well, the key factors are, one, the qualifications of the surgeon that you're seeing, and two, the facility that he's operating in. And so those are the two biggest questions that you want to know. One, you want to make sure that your surgeon is board certified by a board that's recognized by the American Board of Medical Specialties. And that's probably the most important thing. There are only 24 of those. Okay, number two, make sure that the hospital that he is operating in is accredited by one of four of the accrediting agencies. So that making sure that these facilities are as safe as if you were in a hospital, that they have done peer reviews yearly, that they make sure that everyone that works there is qualified. And so your likelihood of having an untoward event is very low. Second, you want to make sure that if there is an emergency, that there is a nearby hospital that you can be transferred to that can be taken care of, and that it has to be agreed upon, before surgery. And two or three, that the surgeon that is operating upon you has privileges at that hospital for the procedure that he's doing on you, and that he can actually go with you in being transferred to that nearby facility.
How does a patient investigate these things?
Well, these things are very easy to investigate, and you can look on their website, you can ask the surgeon, make sure that he is who he says he is. And American Board of Medical Specialties, you can look online, and there are only 24, and there are hundreds of boards out there. But if they're not recognized by the ABMS, then that surgeon does not have the required training and credentials needed to be doing those kind of procedures. You wouldn't want a pediatrician doing, heart surgery.
No.
Okay, so you want to make sure that these surgeons are qualified in what they do. And the facilities just ask and look for the accreditation firm that these facilities are accredited by. And so it's very simple to do your homework ahead of time, making sure that you're in a safe environment to have the most successful outcome that you can.
All right, thank you, Dr. Stevens. That's very important information. You're watching WBRZ News 2 at 4. We'll be right back.